like a mess right now. My eyebrows look super bogus. It's early in the morning. I'm tired. I want to go back to sleep, but I can't. So. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. For today, I'm going to be doing a like natural makeup school routine. So far, not going the best because my brows are literally two different eyebrows. But we're going to ignore that because I don't really know what's going on with them. I was going for like a skinny queen today, but then this one came out, so I'm just going to ignore it and hopefully the end result is better. So I'm just going to take some moisturizer. I take something super like glowy if I want something natural, and this is the Glam Glow Glow Starter. I'm going to be applying that all over my face so that if we put anything on our face, the glow shines through. I'm gonna put a little bit of primer. I'm gonna use the Professional, and I'm gonna use my No Pore Blum, I think it's called. This is day 2 of trying to film. First of all, yesterday I thought it was Wednesday, so I'm like, okay, I'm giving myself 2 days to film before I have to upload. I mean 2 days to edit. But then I found out that it was Thursday. So I was like, oh, okay. So I only have 1 day to edit because my dumb self does not edit when I get home from school because I just knock out. But in the middle of filming yesterday, hold on. In the middle of filming yesterday, my camera died. So I was like, okay, scrap that video. I'm going to film that tomorrow. So today I'm just doing like a quick little get ready with me natural makeup. Yada yada yada. I want to do something natural because for like the past 2 days I've been doing super like dramatic makeup. That's too much work in the mornings. As you can tell, I'm extremely tired. I'm using, I look crazy, oh my god. I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I'm using one that's not too brightening, and this is light medium. This is like my everyday concealer. It's closer to my skin tone so that it's not super brightening, and I'm using a brush to blend it out because I just like how brushes apply concealer, and this is a concealer buffer brush. I talked about this brush before and it's just really good. I should have waited for the primer to like sit in my face for a second, but I didn't, so I played myself there. I'm sorry if I sound very like monotone. I'm very tired. I could not sleep for anything in the world last night, so I'm extremely tired. I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild contouring palette contour. That's the name of it. I don't know why. I use that to set my concealer now. It's very good. I've been sleeping on this for real because this just sits in my drawers, so I finally pulled it out and tried it. Like, it leaves my whole area super smooth, so I really like that. I just set my creases, but you know what? YOLO. You don't see them anyways. Let me bronze up my face real quick because I'm starting to look a little white. At least on the camera I do. I'm gonna blend that away because now it looks like I have a sunburn. So this is very quick and easy. It's literally only been 10 minutes and I'm already like almost done. But let's talk about school. I hate it. I'm actually like a really good student. Like, I get good grades. I'm good. I don't do bad things. But I just really dislike school. Like, school is just not it. Just, I don't know. I'm not very fond of school. I'm using the Anastasia and Marizzi highlighter. I'm using this highlighter because it gives like a golden hour like effect. So I think that's very pretty. And yeah, I'm gonna add a lot of highlighter because I want to be super glowy and not look like I have makeup on. So like that. I might include some clips from the other video because I think it was really funny and I look like I was struggling. I was excited for that video too. I'm mad. Like, I wasn't continue it today, but then I was like, nah, I'm just gonna redo the whole video. So that's what I'm doing right now. Let's hope I'm not late to school today. I'm usually late like every single day, and I have culinary first period and we're gonna make pancakes, so I think I'm going to be very on time today because your girl doesn't really eat in the mornings, and yeah, I'm kind of hungry. I have so many creases in my eyelids. It's not even funny, but we're going to ignore that because we're just going to. If anything seems a little harsh, I usually blend it away with the Artiste brushes. I think that's what it's called. But it does a really good job of like making things seem less than what they are, and I really like that. Okay, I have 30 minutes, even though I'm actually done, so I think I'm good. So now I can actually eat something, because usually I'm late so I don't eat anything, so today I have time to eat, so I'm going to go eat. I wish I can do school vlogs, but I don't know if they would allow me to bring my camera in, because I can't use my phone because we have phone lockers, so I can't use my phone to vlog, and I'm low-key scared to bring my freaking camera because I feel like someone will steal it, so that's a no too. So I don't know what to do. Like, school be lit. I can do some good ass school vlogs. What if the school sues me? Because I would be recording everything and the school will get in trouble because there's hella stuff that shouldn't be going on but goes on. So watch, I'm gonna expose my school and they're gonna come for me and I'm gonna be like, not my fault y'all is bad or whatever. I usually hate pink anything, but that stuff that I got from Rude Cosmetics is really cute, so yeah. So it's 6:33 and it's International Women's Day, so what's up? That is what we are. I'm trying not to curse in videos that much anymore, so we is that person. We is that female dog. I don't think you know your worth, babe. I can't sit back and watch you hurt, babe. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my natural makeup. Get ready to do me. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions on any of the products that I use. Yeah, and I'll be happy to answer them. If you want to know something I used, if I didn't mention something, comment down below. I don't know if I didn't mention something, I forget. But yeah, also I was thinking, should I upload once on the weekend and then once during the weekday? Let me know, because I need to work a little harder. So like, what if I upload on Wednesday or Tuesday and then upload on a Saturday? Like, I usually upload on Saturdays anyways. Like, my everyday thing is like Saturdays. I want to start working harder on YouTube. I want to produce more videos for you guys. So let me know, because I would love to do that, and I want to film more. Like, I really want to film more and do more things outside of makeup as well. So let me know any video English please, thank you. Let me know any video ideas you guys have or want me to do, and I will film them for you guys. So yeah, I want to do a hair routine video because a lot of people ask me about my hair, and I can do that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe down below for some more videos. If you like me and want to see more, go ahead and do all of that. So yeah, I love you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Peace out. Bye.